Imagine sending instant messages directly from your Flutter app Circumflex Euros. That's exactly what we're unlocking today. We're diving into integrating Messagebird's powerful SMS capabilities right into your Flutter projects, allowing you to send text messages, programmatically think about sending instant order confirmations, crucial verification codes, or even targeted marketing campaigns, all straight from your mobile application. First things first, you'll need to set up your Messagebird account and obtain your API key. This key is your golden ticket to authenticating your app with Messagebird services. Next, we'll add the Messagebird Flutter plugin to your project. This is a straightforward process within your project's dependencies file, making the integration seamless. Once the plugin is in place, we'll create a dedicated section in your Flutter code to handle the SMS sending logic. This involves initializing the Messagebird client with your API key. The core of our integration involves constructing the actual SMS message. We'll define the recipient's phone number and craft the captivating message content you want to send. With your message ready, we'll then call the appropriate function from the Messagebird plugin to dispatch your SMS. This function will handle all the communication with Messagebird's servers. Finally, we'll implement basic error handling and success feedback. For your users, this ensures they know if their message was sent successfully or if there was a hiccup, providing a smooth user experience.